Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? It's a really bad news for all of you. To this time, the coin is dumped down and completely and losting. But I will tell you, I will give you 100% guarantee. To if you watch this video, you never lost, and they cannot, my friends, dumps down. Let's just start a brand video. But kindly like this video and also subscribe this channel. First of all, I will update you, and after that, I predicate this coin. And the last, I share opinion now. So this time the chain occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. All chain occurring will be negative now. That's means the coin is completely and lost now. And the market ranking, if you can see my brother, 22, and you can see the price. So USD 4.79 USD dollar. The price come down to 15 USD dollar to 4 USD dollar. That's already bad news, my brother. All right, if we check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, so we better understand now whether to upcoming time can there is a chance so they will wake up or not. So this time whether you can see the chain occur of last two, my friend. You can see here 1 month minus 48.07%, they are lost now, and that's a really bad news. And if we check out, my friend, here the price, so 10.04 USD dollar. That's mean to the all price is lost now in these days. Yes, my brother, exactly. You can see, my friend, the chart as absolutely dumps down after this point. So that's me, also the coin is completely lost. But I hope, my brother, when they will take a jump, so I hope they will recover. These all lost, but just and only you need to hold and wait for the end of month. At the end of month, every coin will wake up and take a very huge profit. So I hope, my brothers, the price will be also increasing, but just and only you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So see you next time, Theta Network holder. I hope you like and absolutely subscribe our YouTube channel. So kindly, please, if you know, so please like and subscribe this channel. My prediction is positive, and my opinion is that, my brothers, to please hold it. If you hold at the end of month, they will give you a profit. But if you want, my brothers, to take a very good profit, so invest in the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.